Hello everyone, we're here to find the area of the rhombus-shaped Dorito. Now, first we need to know what is the formula for finding the area of a rhombus. Well, first the rhombus area is equals to base times height. Pretty basic really. Now we need to determine the average size of a hand compared to a Dorito, because we're trying to find the actual size of a Dorito. Now, firstly, we need to find exactly what is the size of the average hand. Now, I've gone on to properly calculate the size of my own hand, and it approximates to, alright, M hand. This approximates to 19 centimeters. Now, to further prove this, we need to find what is the actual average hand size. So now, the average hand size, it's roughly 19.3 centimeters. I've got this source from Google, which says it's 7.6 inches. Now this is the average size of the hand. Now that we find the average size of the hand, we need to find what is the size of the hand compared to a Dorito.
We are writing the about tomorrow. You need to know those free body diagrams. Those are free facts. You have to know those free body diagrams. Oh, you guys are. You don't know how to instinct. You don't know how to instinct, guys.
Now we can roughly assume that a said Dorito, when I use the symbol for Dorito, we can roughly assume that a Dorito is equals to a third of a hand. We can assume that a Dorito, the change, is equals to a third of a hand, right? Right. So now, looking at this, we can roughly say this. Now we can put this in a bracket and say 1/3, and then we get Dorito is equal to 6.4 centimeters. Roughly, that Dorito is equals to 6.4 centimeters. Now you have to find the base of the Dorito. Now, with this image that I'm showing to you right now, I can use the formula to find exactly the size of the object in correlation with the distance, of the. Let me write the formula down first. So now I'm gonna use this formula to determine the focal length, the distance of the object to the lens, or like the distance of the lens to the sensor of the camera. So now I've done all of that, written all that down, and we can assume, not assume, we can exactly find the base of Dorito and say that it is roughly 5 centimeters, right? So now we can draw the diagram of the Dorito, which is 5 centimeters at the bottom, and in height it is 6.4 centimeters. So now in a rhombus, this is gonna be for the triangle, not the round. So half times base times height, which is the area of triangle. Now half times base, which is 5 centimeters, and height is 6.4. Then that is equals to,
You don't know how to
get 16.
You don't know how to
16 centimeters squared. That is the area of a single Dorito. So now, similarly, we can say that the other Dorito, other triangle, is also 16 centimeters squared. Therefore, the rhombus is equals to 32 centimeters squared. So we basically just didn't need this.